Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Horton C521-2 Jamb mount handicap switch assembly. Let's take a closer look at this unit. It's going to have the faceplate, it's going to have the red switch connected to the micro switch, some flag connectors, and some wire nuts. So it's going to be really simple sort of scenario. Yeah, just really straightforward material. Here's in general what it's going to look like. Let's separate this and take some dimensional properties of the backplate itself. Overall height, about 5 inch. Overall width, about 1 3/8 inches. Handicap symbol, press to open. Now we've got our button. Just holding it up so we can get the camera to focus on it. Normally closed, normally open on the right side. Your common underneath my finger that's moving. Opposite side has... See if we can try that again. Not so lucky this time. There we go. Anyway, normally open, normally closed. Common flag connectors. Use your imagination. You can see why we would call it a flag connector. It's going to, obviously connect to what we're doing here. A couple of wire nuts. A total of 4 screws, 2 shorts and 2 longs. The 2 shorts, the short ones are for holding the switch to the back of the plate, and the rest is for the jamb mount, mullion mount. It could be jamb mount, handicap switch assembly, black faceplate with a red button. We will change that to blue. I'm looking at an extended description that's obviously incorrect. For automatic doors, certainly. Any door that you have some sort of a control over. Finally, before we move on, there is a link below this video.
I can't get the answer to that on Apple.
They're listening. Before we move on, let's take a look at the link to the document called Datasheet that's down below. You can see the different variations of these switches. This is the 521 that we're looking at. They do indicate in that tech sheet that it's a black faceplate with a red button. Hard to say what the story is exactly with that, if it's a misprint or if this blue faceplate is an error. Whatever the case is, we'll leave that documentation, but let it be known, I suppose, that the unit I have has a blue faceplate. Other switches are there. I can tell you that the C1315-2, very common. All of those push plates along the bottom are very common as well. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page, where you can pull up not only all of the Horton products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog and several encyclopedic documents like catalog sections, wiring diagrams, and things of that nature. Any questions on the Horton? This is their part number C521-2, jamb mount handicap assembly switch, or any other Horton product. Please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.